Hi, Gina here. I'm trapped inside this marble box. I want to escape and I need invisibility for that. Therefore, if you are an OpenGL programmer, today I'll show how you may create a floating rectangle on your screen. Or in other words, how to obtain a perfect transparent background. Invisible, like I will be in order to escape from this box. And this will happen in few moments. So without further ado, let's get started. So, if I run my project, as it is right now, it will display a very nice window, containing a rotating rectangle. By pressing Command plus Q, I stop the execution. We will do that, using glfw window hint methods. But before anything else, we set to true the glfw floating flag, and in this way, our window will be always on top. First step, in order to obtain transparent background, is to get rid of the window frame. Fortunately, GL Framework gives us the window hint method for this task, and, inside it, setting glfw decorated attribute to GL false. When I run my project, the window frame will vanish. I stop again the execution, and this time, I try to make a transparent background. Prior to other steps, I need the glfw transparent frame buffer flag to be true, and I do that using the same magic glfw window hint method. And now, I can play around with different values of my background color. To do so, I created a class called background color, and inside its constructor, I tried some sort of experiments, using GL clear color method, provided by OpenGL Framework. This method, basically, set the project window background color. I call the class here, immediately after I set the context current window. If we call our class before that, will not work. Yet, we may call our class, and implicitly the GL clear color method, everywhere between this point, and the moment when we start to loop our window events. Okay, let's go back to my class. If I run the project, as it is right now, we will not see any difference. I stop it, and I set this last parameter to 0, meaning the color will be transparent. Run again. But alas, we don't have a perfect transparency. Let's try now, with black background color, first setting the opacity to 100%. Yes. Is black alright? Now, let's make it transparent. Yeah, it works. And I am so glad that it works, because now I can render myself invisible, and escape from this ugly box. Hey, wait, I am indeed invisible, but I am not transparent. I'm totally black. And black doesn't help me to escape. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Namaste.